Looking to take out a loan but don't meet the standard lending criteria of traditional lenders? Have you considered private lending? Hi, I'm Peter Nicolau, founder of Peak Capital, an independently owned and operated commercial finance brokerage firm. So you've been turned down by every bank in town, and now even the second tier lenders are giving you the cold shoulder. Where do you turn next? Believe it or not, private lending may be your best bet. Private lenders are companies that offer loans without going through the traditional banking system. This can be a great option if you're having trouble getting approved for a loan from a traditional lender. Private lenders often have a more flexible lending criteria, so they may be willing to lend to you even if you don't meet the bank's criteria. Unfortunately, there's a lot of misinformation out there about private lenders. Some people think they're all loan sharks just because they're not regulated in the same way as banks. You need to deal with reputable private lenders and deal with brokers that have a track record with these lenders. So while there are some bad apples out there, there are also many reputable private lenders who can provide a much needed service for borrowers who don't qualify for traditional financing. There are a few benefits worth mentioning too. For example, unlike traditional lenders such as banks, which take a long time to process all the paperwork, private lending companies can work fast. In some situations, they can help you get a loan for your business almost right away. Of course, private loans come with some disadvantages, which you have to consider. In most cases, you'll find that private lenders have higher interest rates compared to banks, just because they're taking on a bit more risk. You also need to consider that a private lender might be more vulnerable to changing economic conditions. This can make them a little less stable if a crisis hits. And all private lenders will want property security for their loan. Other than that, private lenders will charge upfront fees to review their loans, and these fees include an application fee to get the process started, a valuation fee for the property they'll use as collateral, a legal fee for the lawyers to prepare loan documents, and an establishment fee once the loan is drawn. And generally speaking, most private lenders will go up to a maximum loan to valuation ratio of 70%. So if your property is worth $1 million, the private lender may only advance you $700,000. Here at Peak Capital, we work with a range of reputable private lenders. So please feel free to reach out if you think you may need a private lending solution. Let's find you a solution that is going to help you create more opportunities for business growth.